everybody, I'm Georgia.
And I'm William.
And today we are hanging out at the Magic Kingdom.
Subscribe.
You should subscribe. Now let's go.
Alright.
Okay, so something that we haven't done since it reopened is go ride the train. So we're gonna go ride that now.
Treehouse, there's always plenty to explore here in Adventureland. Almost there. We've reached Frontierland Station, everyone, so sit tight. Hold those horses. Those of you who've been riding with me for a spell already know how much I love minding this railroad. But for those times I'm fixing for something a bit wilder, Big Thunder Mountain is the place. Because there, the trains have a mind of their own. Wonderland, isn't it something? Just think of the extraordinary things to see and do in these woods. Hiking trails, bird calls, fireflies, and starry nights. Main Street Station.
As we arrive into the station, please remain fully seated with our hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train.
Hey everybody, so we were lucky enough to get a lightning lane for Tron, so we're gonna go head on that now.
Little tip. It's going to be hot in the summer. Make sure you drink a lot of water. Wear a white shirt, white hat. Probably come for a rope drop and then leave like 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Take a break and then come back because the heat is really bad, even for us. We live here in Florida, so it's not going to be easy. But we're going to ride this ride and tell you what it's all about. I'm sure it's going to be a lot of fun.
Yep, we'll be right back.
With sudden drops and stops. For your safety, remain into the world of Tron.
When it opens, look right there.
Right there?
Down there.
Alright, that was an exciting ride. Oh my gosh, here it goes!
So the ride is super fun. It takes off really fast. My only complaint is that it's not fast, it's not long enough. It's really short. It's over pretty much right after it starts. starts. But I really like the ride. It's one of my favorites. I just wish it was longer.
This time we sat in the back, so we got to feel a little bit more of the G-force. That was my wife screaming. But it's a little bit different than the front. In front you get to see everything. In the back you get to feel more of it. I wish it would go a little bit faster, and I wish it was a little bit longer.
Yeah, but it's definitely worth it. I don't think I would pay for a lightning round.
I'm gonna die.
Yeah.
It's so hot.
Yeah, it's really hot, so we are gonna head out of this park. We're actually here with friends today, so we're just gonna spend the rest of the day hanging out with them. But make sure you like and subscribe so you can stay up to date on all things Disney.
Bury me in the ground because I'm not gonna survive this. I'm just dehydrated. I feel like SpongeBob when he's out of the ocean. He's out of the ocean and he just curls up and I've sweat so much. I might have to drink water for like 6 days in order to rehydrate.
So thirsty. Oh. It's no use.
Look, it's so bad we're drinking this. Yeah. Yeah, you know what? I think we're gonna have to head over to some water parks because it's too hot. But anyway, thanks
The thumbs up button.
Yes.
Hit the bell notification so that way when we launch these videos, you know when it's happening.
Yeah. Until next time, guys.